Dr. Anil Tumkur, speaking on our poster, Creative Virtual ASCII Amid the COVID-19 Pandemic. During the COVID-19 lockdown, educators are forced to transit in teaching, learning, and assessment using technology and web-based learning tools. Our objective was to develop an ASCII method using available resources, that is Microsoft Teams, which is feasible for assessing communication skills for our pharmacy students. Let me walk through the process. First, we created a detailed information brochure and circulated among students, examiners, and simulated patients. Groups and channels which worked as an exam rooms were created in MS Teams. Examination was initiated by examiner at scheduled time by video call with the student and SP and shares task instruction. Students start preparation and will indicate the readiness to perform to the examiner. Role play between the student and simulated patient will be assessed by the examiner, and the whole process will take 12 or 17 minutes as per the task. Examiner enters the marks online using Excel sheet. We had received the student feedback on the exam. It goes like this. 94% students said instructions are clear for them. 93% of the students said technical issues were handled appropriately. 91% of the students said the examination was conducted smoothly, and 68% of the students felt that examination was fairly conducted. And when it comes to the impact on learning, this method of virtual ASCII can be transferable to other programs, and it can be adaptable for the skills development assessment of the distance learners and as well as for the formative skills assessment.
Hi, I'm Dr. Praveen Kumar here, and here with I will present the summary of this virtual objective structured clinical examination. The SEM4 and SEM8 virtual OSCE were conducted by using the online platform, that is Microsoft Teams, and the detailed plan of the OSCE process was communicated with all the students well in time, and all the involved stimulated patients, assessor, technical team were trained for the OSCE process flow. The practice OSCE sessions were conducted before the conduct of US exam, and the students were briefed in detail for the flow of examination and the resources available. The detailed guidelines and instructions were prepared for the student assessor to deal with the exam process. Also, the contingency plan was prepared based upon the earlier experience of practice virtual OSCE. The module coordinator and exam unit and also the IT department helps to monitor the virtual examination. At the same time, the student, assessor, SP with connectivity problem or interruption in between the examination were guided by the technical team. The standby examiners and SPs help were taken when the students have internet connectivity issue. Based on the student feedback, the overall experience for virtual examination was good. Majority of the students were agreed for the instructions were clear. All stations were conducted smoothly and fairly with few connectivity issues. So with this, I want to, and our team want to sincerely thanks to all the pharmacy practice team members, the School of Pharmacy, exam unit, IT department, university and school management, CSSC staff and simulated patients for their contribution to this objective structured clinical examinations. Thank you.